Good morning, OpenTech team. I wanted to put together a quick video to show you how to get documents easily into Dynamics from Outlook or anywhere else in your on your desktop. So right now what you see is we have Outlook open. I received an email from our internal team with a report on it for public storage. What I would typically do is I would look up public storage. So let's go to accounts. Notice that I default my entity specific searches, accounts, contacts, leads, opportunities to all. That way I can use this internal form in the upper right hand corner. And what that does is that allows me to just focus on the account entity and not the universal search, which is going to bring up everything, tickets and everything else. So this really allows me to find the information that I want quickly. So within the account itself, public storage, and also within a contact or a lead or an opportunity, you will see the related tab, and then you'll have a related documents folder. Okay. What's interesting is that if we store documents in notes, then the document is actually being stored in the CRM database. If we store documents in the document library, it's actually being stored in Sharepoint, which you can kind of see here, right? So if I go to open location up top, documents on D365, this is the underlying Sharepoint site that is giving you access to all of these, this data and these reports. Okay. So in this particular case, there is no report folder for public storage. So I'm going to go ahead and create one in Sharepoint. Reports. I'm going to hit create. And that new folder will show up here. So I am going to open that new folder. And then much like Sharepoint, I can just drag and drop emails, I can drag and drop documents, I can drag and drop anything I want into Sharepoint, and then it will show up in the Dynamics CRM window. So let's snap the grid here. If you don't know how to snap, you hit the Windows button and then the arrow in which you want it to snap. So you can see it moved that over to the right half. And I want to do the same thing with Outlook. I hit the Windows button and I hit left, and then it asks me to choose what's the other window I want open in the second half of the screen. So I can pull them both up at the same time. Okay. So now you'll see over here I have this data dump that is in an email. All I have to do is drag and drop that into Sharepoint really quickly. So I can do it from my desktop, I can do it right from email, whatever I want to do. And then if we go to the account record, let me maximize this again. And I'm going to refresh this. And I'm going to take a look for that reports folder that we just created. Reports. And you can see I've got that K3 raw data dump CSV available for anybody to work from. Now the benefit of this is simple. Now because we're using all of the Microsoft products online, I can open this CSV file right here. It will open it in Excel Online. I can edit it and save it, and it will save those changes in Sharepoint and in Dynamics. So it's really nice when you're doing call calibrations or you're doing ongoing meetings with customers to review data, because you can work from the same sheet with everybody in the organization and even share it with people outside the organization. I hope this was valuable for you. Thank you. Have a great day.